down on my knees, folks. I'm begging. Right, this is the latest update in the Girvan job. Now, I do things you maybe see as no Jason Landscape and Paving, maybe you can advise, but this is the way I like to do it. Because I find when you stay and chip a job and you put the chips down, see after about a year, the edges, if they're not secured down, it comes up through and it doesn't look nice. So what I've done here, first I'll show you here, wait to show you, look at that. Oh, woof. Right, I can you maybe see no, but that's an old part, the slab of path, a concrete path down there. So there's no point in lifting that because we're chipping over the top of it and it gives us a level, only so much out there. So what I've done is, I've got these Clutch Thunderbolts with wide washers, you see, and then that's that there, that's them there, and it's nothing too substantial, just enough to hold it down. And there's a path below there too, and I've done that too, right? And then if you come up here, what I've done is, I've dug a wee, it doesn't need to be a big trench, right? A wee trench, and then what we do is, we set the tear arm in there, right? Set the tear arm in there, right? So it's still within their ground, right? Then I pour cement in, you see, we've already done it there, and that's holding that down. So, what you're doing is, you're creating no airtight, but a contained area so that it can't lift up. And then once the chips is down here, that's it. I'm going to lay half a dozen slabs here just for a sitting area for them, and then that's it, the group's going to be, and the fence is going to be done, and you'll see that again. We've used this green kickboard there at the bottom, heavy duty, deep treated. It's actually a decking board, but I quite like them for this because it retains it, and if you look down there, this here is no done, so, but that gives you an idea of the before, and then you come over here and you see what we've done there, and it's no hard really. Now, Lee, you decide, and what I do, the final touch is this, I'll jet wash these slabs again, you remember we put stuff on it yesterday, and then what I do is the final thing is, I put the weed colour on the top of the stone chips. And the reason is, if we've contained this correctly, the weeds will not come through. Where the weeds come from is the leaves and all the dirt and the air and all that. So, put the weed colour over the top of the chips, a bit of salt and vinegar, and a Saturday night and a bit of fish in the middle, and that's your dinner all ready for you folks. So there you go, that's our latest update. We're going now down to Davy Snack Bar at Girvan for a wee cup of tea. And we're going in the Shaggy vehicle, the Scooby-Doo Volkswagen camper van. And they tell me their table in the back for me to sit down and enjoy my dinner. So we'll wait and see. Bye bye, see you later on another update for you here.